So, the second argument is to estimate mass and stiffness of a shear model building from the model test. Let undamped shear building expressed by the equation of motion as below, that is mx double dot plus kx is F. The characteristic equation to determine eigenvalue and mode shape is given by k minus omega square m phi I is 0, where omega I is the eigenvalue and phi I is the corresponding mode shape. Stiffness matrix of the shear building is given by K1 plus K2 minus K2 minus K2, K2 plus K3 minus K3 and so on. Let us say minus Kn minus 1, Kn minus 1 plus Kn minus Kn minus Kn and Kn. Mass matrix is given by M1, M2, Mn. Expanding the above equations, for L and R modes and reorganizing in terms of stiffness and mass parameters, following equation is generated. So, phi L1, phi R1 minus omega L phi L1 minus omega R phi R1, phi L1 minus phi L2, phi R1 minus phi R2, and that goes and says phi Ln minus phi Ln minus 1 omega L phi Ln phi Rn minus phi Rn minus 1 omega r phi Rn multiplied by K1 M1 K2 M2 like Kn Mn will be equal to 0, or simply B multiplied by B vector is 0. Now, if Mn is equal to unity, then the above equation will reduce to the form B dash is equal to 0 omega L phi Ln omega r phi Rn, where beta prime is of the order 2n minus 2, 2n minus 2, in which the last two rows and columns of B matrix are eliminated. B dash is 2n minus 2 by 1 vector, in which last two members of B vector are eliminated. Now, solving for the unknown mass and stiffness parameters, that is Ki and Mi, we get B dash is equal to B prime transpose B dash inverse B dash transpose 0 omega L phi Ln omega r phi Rn, which tells me Kn is equal to omega L phi Ln by phi Ln minus phi Ln minus 1. Now, the mass and stiffness parameters obtained from the above equation are relative values of Mn, because you can see here Mn is taken to be unity. Therefore, the relative values of Mn, because Mn is considered to be unity. This method has salient advantages. One, only mode shape and frequency of two modes are required. See here, L and N. This method has a limitation. This can be applicable only to shear model buildings. Thirdly, this is valid only for undamped systems. So, now let us see the summary, friends. In this lecture, we are attempting to learn structural health monitoring methods. We also saw the flow chart for vibration based monitoring. We learned two methods, one using frequencies and mode shapes. How can damage be located? Second, how to obtain mass and K for shear model building with only two frequencies and mode shapes. We will continue to see other methods in the coming lecture. Thank you very much.